So hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So if you are working with Salesforce JWT Bearer Flow, one of the first thing you will need is a certificate and private key. In this video, I will show you how to generate both the files using OpenSSL software. So you can use them in your JWT authentication setup. So let's get started. So you can see we will first install OpenSSL and then use two simple commands. You can see these are the two simple commands. We will use these two commands to generate the private key and certificate which are required for Salesforce JWT Bearer Flow. So let's switch to the live demo and start by installing OpenSSL software first. Okay, so before we start, if you are enjoying these practical Salesforce tutorials video, please subscribe to this channel. So your support really motivates us to create more real world content. Okay, so let's jump to a demo. So you can see we will cover this step to download the OpenSSL software. So you can see like this is a link we will use to download our OpenSSL software in machine. So let's click on this. It redirects here, and here you can see we have a different versions, right? So as per your machine, you can download your software. See, my machine is a Windows 64, so I will download this light version. Okay, click on this exe file, will download here. Click on this file. So it will ask you pop-up, just allow, yes, accept, next, keep everything default, next, next. We will keep Windows system like directory. Okay. Keep everything default and installed. Okay, just uncheck this, all those things, and finish. Okay, so next slide is, you can see we will run these commands. So to generate the private key, we will run this command, and to generate the server certificate file, we will run this command. So now let's open the command prompt, cmd. So let's run these commands to generate the private key and server certificate. Okay, so let's open the command prompt. Okay, so before that, just check like do we have OpenSSL installed or not. So there's a command OpenSSL space version. Okay, so it's saying like OpenSSL is not recognized. So it means it's not recognized. What we need to do, we need to add the path in our environment variables. Okay, we'll go to the C folder and there it installed. Go to the program files. Here you will find the OpenSSL. This is the one, and open the bin folder and copy this path. Okay, and this path we will add in the environment variables. Okay, in Windows, search environment variable env. You can click on this, edit one. There are environment variables. Click on this. In the system variables, you will update the path. Okay. Okay. Here you will add. Added. Okay. 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 Now go to the command prompt. Close it. Whatever is open. Open again. Command prompt. Type OpenSSL version. Cool. So now you can see now it is recognized. Okay. So now let's go back and copy the command. So I have already copied the command in my notepad. This is for the private key. I will copy this entire command and paste it here. Enter. Private key generated. I will show you where. And so you can see the path C user ERAU. Okay. So I will go to the C file. This is my C folder. C users ERAU. Okay. See, private key generated. So maybe if you want to see again, you can delete this. Okay. And here itself, you can see I'll run this command again. Just copy the command again and enter it. See, private key generated. Now next command is to generate the certificate. Copy this, paste it. So you can see it will ask some questions. Okay. So you need to give these questions. So country name, give AU, state, and SW, locality name. So as per your requirement, you can give your country name and province name. Okay. Sydney, organization name. You can give any. So I can give ABC. You can give like ABC underscore IT. Common name, BCD, whatever you can give as per your BCD automation. Okay. Email address. So I will give my email address here. .com. Okay. So these are the information we have already provided. Now I should create server.certificate file. So here you can see server file is created. So okay, so now you can see private key and certificate file generated, and you can upload this certificate file in your connected app or external client app. And whoever the third party wants to connect to Salesforce, you can give this private key to them so they can use this private key to connect with the Salesforce. This is, you can say like this is like something signed token which helps to authenticate with the Salesforce with this certificate file. Okay, so that's it. Like you can see, we have successfully generated private key and certificate file which are required for JWT Bearer Salesforce flow. So that is all for this video. Okay, thank you. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.